Welcome to the CS192 Online Compiler tutorial. Let's begin. To access the online compiler, open a browser and type the URL www.onlinegdb.com. This will allow you to access the online compiler so that you can execute your programs for this course. Sign up for a user account by selecting the Sign Up option. Type your name, email address, select a password, and select the Register option. Signing up for an account allows you to save your programs and access your programs in the future. Once you've signed up for an account, you can now begin by selecting the programming language of your choice. For Python, select Python 3. Begin by typing your Python code. Once you are finished entering your code, select the Run option to execute your program. The results of your execution will be displayed below your screen. You can increase the width or decrease the width of your output by simply moving the handles up or down. Additional options available in the online compiler are the Share option, which allows you to share your code with other users, the Save option, which allows you to save your code to your user account, the Beautify option, which allows you to format the display of your code, and the Download option, which allows you to retrieve your code from an existing source. If you have additional questions about the use of the online compiler, please contact your instructor.